Hello everyone. Okay, welcome to our English class again. So today we are going to continue to our lesson that talking about long A sound, right? Okay. So are you ready? Okay, good. Okay, so today we are going to continue to our lesson. So yesterday you already learned about the conversation, right? Okay, good. So today we will move on to our reading. So you can open your book on page 98 or you can see the passage on the video, alright? Okay. So this is the passage that we are going to study today. Okay. So now I am going to read it for you. So please listen carefully and later I will ask you to read, okay? Okay, good. Lisa is an Australian. Her birthday is 19th June. She will be 10 years old. This year, she will have a birthday party near the lake. Her parents have made cake for the party. Lisa and her friends swim in the lake. After they swim, they eat the cake, then they play a tape, sing and dance. Alright? Okay, so I hope you can read it because most of the words you have already learned, right? Okay, good. So now I am going to read for you again, and this time a bit slow, and I hope you can follow me, alright? Okay. Okay. Lisa is an Australian. Her birthday is 19 June. She will be 10 years old. This year, she will have a birthday party near the lake. Her parents have made cake for the party. Lisa and her friends swim in the lake. After they swim, they eat the cake, then they play a tape, sing and dance. Alright? Okay, good. So I hope you can understand the passage. Also, you can do your homework. Alright? Okay, and also you can read the passage also. Okay, now I am going to read it for you again. So please listen. Lisa is an Australian. Her birthday is 19 June. She will be 10 years old. This year, she will have a birthday party near the lake. Her parents have made cake for the party. Lisa and her friends swim in the lake. After they swim, they eat the cake, then they play a tape, sing and dance. Alright? So I hope you can read it. So if you cannot read it, you can play the video again and again until you can read it. Alright? Okay, so now I am going to translate for you, so I hope you can understand. Alright? Okay. Lisa is an Australian. Okay. អញ្ចឹង Lisa គឺជា an Australian អីគេ Australian Okay, Australian បានន័យថាគឺជាជនជាតិអូស្ត្រាលីអញ្ចឹង Lisa គឺជាជនជាតិអូស្ត្រាលី Her birthday is 19 June ថ្ងៃខួបកំណើតរបស់នាងគឺនៅថ្ងៃទី19ខែ June អញ្ចឹងជិតដល់ហើយយើងថ្ងៃនេះទីម៉ានហើយ the okay. Her birthday is on 19th June គឺខួបកំណើតរបស់គាត់គឺថ្ងៃ19ខែ June ខែគេខែមិថុនាខែហ្នឹងឯង okay. She will be 10 years old. She will be 10 years old. ឆ្នាំហ្នឹងsorry នាងនឹងមានអាយុ10ឆ្នាំ okay. អញ្ចឹង birthday ឆ្នាំហ្នឹងគឺនាងអាយុ10ឆ្នាំឯង This year she will have a birthday party near the lake. This year បានន័យថាឆ្នាំនេះ she will have គឺនាងនឹងមាន birthday party ពិធីខួបកំណើតកម្មវិធីខួបកំណើត near the lake នៅជិតនឹងបឹងឬក៏ត្រពាំង Her parents have made cake for the party. ឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់នាង her parents have made បានធ្វើ cake បានកំង cake ធ្វើ cake for the party សម្រាប់កម្មវិធីbirthday នឹង Lisa and her friends Lisa ហើយនឹង her friends មិត្តភក្តិរបស់នាង swim in the lake គឺកំពុងតែលេងគឺលេងទឹកនៅក្នុងត្រពាំងនៅក្នុងបឹង After they swim បន្ទាប់ពីគេលេងទឹកហើយ After they swim they eat the cake ពួកគេមកញ៉ាំនំ cake នំ then they play a tape ហើយពួកគេ play a tape ហើយពួកគេ play a tape អញ្ចឹង play a tape មិនមែនលេងស្គត់ទេណា play a tape mean ចាក់ចម្រៀងចាក់វីដេអូចាក់កាសែតយើងយកកាសែតមកចាក់គេហៅថា play a tape អូខេអញ្ចឹង play a tape sing and dance គេចាក់ចម្រៀងហើយពួកគេច្រៀងហើយនឹងរាំ dance okay after reading you have exercise so when is Lisa's birthday តើថ្ងៃខួបកំណើត Lisa ថ្ងៃណា okay her birthday is 19th June okay her birthday is 19th June okay so this is the exercise this is the example for you so let's move to your homework so homework answer the question so question number 1 how old is she this year all right and number 2 where is her birthday party this year all right and number 3 do her parents make the cake for her party and number 4 what do they do after swimming okay okay ចឹង question number 1 how old is she this year អញ្ចឹងតើឆ្នាំហ្នឹងគឺនាងមានអាយុប្រហែលអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង reading គឺយើងមានហើយយើងអាន reading ហើយបានយើងឆ្លើយសំណួរនឹងបានអញ្ចឹងបើយើងអត់បានអានអត់បានមើលទេយើងក៏អត់ឆ្លើយសំណួរនឹងបានដែរអញ្ចឹងយើងទៅមើល reading របស់យើងវិញថា how old is she this year តើឆ្នាំហ្នឹងនាងអាយុប្រហែល where is her birthday party this year ហើយកម្មវិធីខួបកំណើតរបស់នាងឆ្នាំហ្នឹងតើធ្វើនៅណា where okay where នៅកន្លែងណាគឺ near អីគេ okay អញ្ចឹងសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកគ្នាធ្វើបានហើយ number 3 do her parents make the cake for her party do her parent តើឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់នាង make the cake for her party តើ her parent make a cake for her party or not okay and number 4 what do they do after swimming តើពួកគេធ្វើអីបន្ទាប់ពី swimming បន្ទាប់ពីហាលទឹកឬក៏លេងទឹកហើយ okay so that's all about today's video and I hope you can do your homework answer the question and also can read it alright so that's all about today's video so see you next video goodbye